Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Renee, and today I'm going to be talking all about the VITAMIX. So this is my favorite kitchen accessory. This is actually my second VITAMIX. I had my last one for over 10 years, and I love using it in like smoothies. I even use it with like salsa, so as a food processor. I use it for making soups, which is really great because anything you're gonna wanna blend up, it has so many different levers and different speeds that you can use. It's really, really great. And I also use it for making like ice cream, pasta sauce, anything, you name it, you can make it, of course, as well as all type of beverages. So here it is. And today I'm going to be opening it up and telling you guys all about it. So let's do this initial unboxing. All right. On the package, it also says it has a 10-year full warranty, so that's awesome. That's big. Oh, this is cute. We get a nice little cookbook here. Simply blending quick and easy whole food recipe for every meal. Okay, wow, that was pretty heavy. So here is the base. Oh, and I wanted this gorgeous copper color. Love it. It's so pretty. Wow. All right, so this is what is coming, and here we go. So that's the back of it. Looks like it has some functions there. And we have the core. So here she is, my new VITAMIX that's part of the Accent Series blender. It's in the color copper, which I love. I can't tell you how much I love this. And it just looks so sleek and gorgeous. It has this nice container here that I can hold up to 64 ounces, make big portions of things. This is great for like when you're putting in like your different fruits and berries and stuff, you can kind of smush it in there. And then I'm also really excited to read all about all the different recipes that they have here. All right, so thank you so much for joining me with this unboxing of the VITAMIX. I'm going to be doing more videos on what I make in the VITAMIX, so please stay tuned. This is gonna be a whole series of cooking. Also, if you're interested in cooking, check out my video on how to make a super healthy, veggie-rich lentil soup. I'm gonna go ahead and tag that up and throw it into the comments below as well. But thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.